Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, mind, body, wisdom expert, master dowser, and author of this book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, a bestseller on Amazon worldwide. I want to show you today how I clean crystals and how I use them, just little teeny crystals, in order to cleanse my energy system. Now, you know, you've seen me going like this to clear the governing vessel meridian, or tapping on the meridian endpoints. There's so many ways to do it, spin a pendulum and stuff, but crystals are fun. I bought these two, about 30 years ago on Maui when I was visiting Hawaii with my mom, who's always been one of my dearest friends. And I didn't even think to use them because I'm used to using meridian clearing, which you've seen me do. So I just thought, let me see, you know, I've seen Reiki masters use the selenite wands to clear stuff, and I love that. So I decided to use these, and I had some really good results. So first, I would recommend that you check and see, very simply, if your crystals are in fact clogged up or not able to function right. So I'm just going to check into the energy of this amethyst crystal here, and I'm going to douse on it right now. Dowsing source, can you feel the energy of this amethyst crystal from Maui? Is it dull? Is it clogged up with any energy? Is it pure and ready to go? All right then. Let's do the other crystal, the watermelon crystal here from Maui. Dowsing source. You can feel the energy of this watermelon crystal here. Is it clogged up with any negative energy? Would it be beneficial for it to be cleansed? No. Okay, good. So here's what I do, which is, I don't know, I find it fun. Just minutes ago, I had this feeling like, first of all, like a warm, overheated energy came on me, and it was dark. And I just wanted to check and see. When that usually happens, that means a curse landed on me. So are there one or more curses, hexes, jinxes from outside of me that came onto me in the last hour or two? And as you know, if you've seen me douse before, this is a yes answer, this is a no answer. And there's tons of ways to use muscle testing like this. It's all in my book, but plenty of information online as well. So, dowsing source. Do my Maui crystals have the ability to take away the curses, hexes, jinxes, instead of me using meridian clearing or something like that? Yes. Okay. So I'm going to do like I've seen the Reiki masters do, but they have these big old selenite wands, which are really cool. Might have to get me some for Christmas. And they use them like this. So I'm just going to sit back. Well, just let me ask the dowsing. Do you know how many curses were put on me in the last hour? Are these the only curses that are on me now? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 3. Do I have permission to find out from whom they came? Nope. Probably just as well, because I might have some negative thoughts about them later. So, I'm just going to take these crystals and clear my chakras one by one. I'm going to start at the top chakra. So, boom, 7th chakra. Curses gone. Boom, 3rd eye chakra. All curses, hexes, jinxes removed. Boom, communication chakra. All curses, hexes, jinxes removed. Heart chakra. All curses, hexes, jinxes removed. 3rd chakra. All curses, hexes, and jinxes removed. Woo! Oh, I think that's where they were nested. 2nd chakra. All curses, hexes, and jinxes removed. 1st chakra. All curses, hexes, and jinxes removed by the Maui crystals. And now I'm just going to douse really quickly. I have one or more curses, hexes, or jinxes from outside of me on me now, on my energy. Can you tell me the location of these curses? Generally, where they were? 1st chakra, 2nd chakra, 3rd chakra, 4th chakra, 5th, 6th, 7th. Okay. So I don't know why people, well, the 3rd chakra is the empowerment chakra, right? And were these baneful curses? Now, baneful is a word I just learned, and it means the act of actually like a baneful curse or a baneful magic, I'll say spell. It means directly intending to send harm to someone else or ill will or something like that. Wow. The thing is, when people do that, they have no idea. It's going to come back to them at least tenfold, maybe 100-fold. But I don't know why anyone would curse me. I'm just a goofy little author living out in the desert, an old desert crone. So let me just check in with these crystals here. Got them right here. Okay, dowsing. You can feel these crystals. One or more of these crystals now has got negative energy in it, non-beneficial energy, the energy of the curses. So what happens? Do they actually, they pull out the energy of the curses and hold on to it, even though I was going like this and stuff? Yes, okay. Some of it is dispersed, I'm hearing, and other of it is logged in, trapped in these crystals. Anyway, that's very cool. Both of these crystals have the baneful energy in it. Okay. So I got them in the palm of my hand now, and I'm just going to use my hand. You can use a pendulum, whatever you like, and I now scramble the energy and neutralize all non-beneficial energies, entities, emotions in these crystals. I now declare and decree that they're as beautiful and perfect and pure as they were when I bought them at that adorable fair, little crafts fair on Maui, from the native husband and wife. They're just darling people. And so it is. And now I'm going to spin in the highest frequency of love, light, unconditional love, healing, well-being, and empowerment into these crystals now. And just let me check into this. Dowsing source, can you feel the energies of both crystals? Let's go to the purple, the amethyst one. That crystal still has some non-beneficial energies in it, or emotions or something. Good. Okay, the watermelon crystal still has some non-beneficial energies, emotions, entities, anything in it that are blocking it being able to help me and clear me and such. So we're clear. Anyway, I believe in keeping everything simple, okay? The more complicated you make things, the more difficult it is to get through it all. If you have problems, you won't know where to start checking because there's so many steps you took and everything. But that's my thing. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. And if you'd like to leave a comment, your comments just tickle me. I love them. So thank you so much. And let me know if there's other videos you'd like me to make. So peace out. Namaste. Get 10 free chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book on my website, emorescue.com. There's also links to all my Amazon books and other interesting information. Thank you.